7 and 0, 70. And the next figure will be what? 6 and 8. 60 what? 6 and 9. 6, 69. 7 and 0.
Mommy, number 7.
Is what? 70. After 7 and 0, the next figure will be what? 7 and 1, 61, 71. What will be the next figure?
72.
Teacher should have to read and light.
Mommy, number 7 is 88. 74. 74. 75.
Alright.
75. 76. 76. 77. 78.
That's very good.
78. 78. 79.
Right.
79.
What figure is this?
80.
You are asked to touch and say what number is east.
Yes.
What figure is this?
30.
This one.
50.
This one.
20.
This one.
70.
This one.
90.
This one.
60.
This one.
40.
This one.
80.
80. Half yourself. This is where you are asked to stop. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Write capital and small letters A to Z. Oh yeah. This is
Capital letter A. Capital letter
small letter
A. Capital letter B. And small letter B.
You are fixing this one, yeah? C.
7.
Capital letter C and
Small letter C.
this one.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Small letter D.
What's the next letter?
Capital letter E and small letter E. Capital letter F and small letter F. Capital letter G and small letter G. Capital letter H and small letter H.
Yeah. Here are the next letter.
Capital letter I and small letter I.
Oh, yeah, right.
Capital letter G and small letter G.
Yeah, right. Capital letter G.
My daughter is doing her assignment. Please share this my video.
Small letter G.
Okay?
Yeah, write fast.
Don't do my own. Capital letter K and small letter K.
Thank you.